Distributed energy storage systems are considered key enablers in the transition from the traditional centralised power system to a smarter, autonomous and decentralised system operating mostly on renewable energy such as solar PV. With their latest product, the ZSPA Distributed Energy Storage System Series, Zonergy helps customers reduce their electricity costs by optimising the power supply-demand balance and providing backup power in the event of a disaster or power outage. The product is designed as a complete package consisting of batteries, inverters and central control system integrated into an enclosure, suitable for shipping and withstanding extreme environments. It is available in two major variants, the ZSPA-SH and ZSPA-TH series, which work with single and three-phase power supplies respectively, and so could be used accordingly based on the power requirements. While the single-phase variant can accommodate a battery with rated voltage of up to 51.2 volts, the three-phase variant can accommodate more battery modules to meet higher voltage requirements. Versatile design allows more individual modules to be connected in series or parallel to expand the system capacity to a maximum of 20.48 kilowatt hours or increase the rated power up to 15 kilowatts depending on the customer needs. Lightweight modules allow for easy transport and installation of the device. The smart central control system with multiple built-in safety features protects against low voltage, high voltage, battery power loss, high and low temperature, electronic control failure, and so on, further guaranteeing our product's safety and reliability. The cycle life is the number of charge and discharge cycles that a battery can complete before its capacity drops to 80% and then starts losing performance. With a higher cycle life of 7,000, our product is designed to perform as well and last longer for over 15 years. In addition to storage solutions, Zonergy also manufactures inverters, solar modules, heaters and battery materials for clean energy applications. Established in 2007, Zonergy has emerged as a leading integrated smart microgrid solution provider with their diverse products and engineering expertise to develop off-grid projects all over the world.